Hey you guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to resize the paparazzi rings, so stick around. Paparazzi rings are a one-size-fits-most with an elastic expandable bag. However, those rings sometimes are still just a little too snug or a little too loose. The following techniques are not paparazzi endorsed, and you are the one responsible for any damage that may happen to your piece of jewelry should you try to alter it in any way. Please do not contact your consultant for any replacements. For resizing, you will need a hair dryer, water bottle with lid, cutting tool, and jewelry. Because the paparazzi rings do have an elastic back with plastic pieces, they're super easy to alter for perfect sizing. To make the ring smaller, you will need to remove one or more of the plastic pieces. Stretch the elastic band and then use your cutter to gently snip the tips of each plastic rung that you need to remove. Be very careful that you don't cut too deep or you will cut your elastic, making the ring unwearable. Your consultant is not responsible to replace the ring should you happen to damage it. If you need to make the band a little larger, you're going to need to stretch that elastic over the end of a water bottle cap. Now, keep in mind some of the elastic is way too tight to stretch this far, so don't force it. But if you can get it to fit, let it rest on top of that cap and then apply some low heat from your hair dryer for just about 15 seconds. Set the bottle aside and let it set for 24 hours, giving the elastic plenty of time to readjust to its new size. While there is no guarantee these techniques will work, they are worth a try. Keep in mind that paparazzi does not endorse these techniques and your consultant is not responsible for any damage. Thanks so much for watching!